Everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'll be showing you a little vignette I have set up in my kitchen as part of a challenge. It's called the Foodie Diy Challenge that's being hosted by Nadia from DIY with Nadia, and her host this month is Sandra from the Swoon's Nest. I hope I said that right. But anyway, she just started this challenge that she's going to be doing the first Sunday of every month, and you have to display the food of the month. And the food of the month for August is, yes, you guessed it, it's watermelon. Yes, so I had to jump in on this challenge because I love decorating with watermelon for the summer. Most people are doing lemon, but I'm doing watermelon. So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you my little vignette I have set up here. I have this little cute little watermelon sign that says Hello Summer. And I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. And so this is my little vignette here. And this beautiful cupcake cookbook was a gift from one of my YouTube sisters, the beautiful #Catholic. Sent me that, and so I thought it would be great to put on my little vignette. And I picked up these 4 watermelons about 2 years ago at the Dollar Tree. And so this is my watermelon vignette, and my towel has watermelons on it also. And I want to go ahead and thank Sandra and Nadia for hosting this challenge. I just thought I would jump in on it because as I stated earlier, I do love watermelon. So if this is your first time visiting my channel and you coming over from the challenge, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Miss V. My channel focuses on budget-friendly content. I love to shop on the clearance rack, Dollar Tree, anywhere where you can get more for your money. So a lot of items at the Dollar Tree, I'll be honest, they're not worth $1, but for the most part, in my opinion, most of them are worth more than $1. So I love to it's like a scavenger hunt when you go to the Dollar Tree. You never know what you're going to find. And so most of these items here came from the Dollar Tree. That sign came from the Dollar Tree. These wooden spoon and fork came from the Dollar Tree. This scale, the items I used to make it, came from the Dollar Tree. That's a DIY. I'll link that video, and it was inspired from another young lady here on YouTube, and I did give her credit when I did the video. And this coffee mug came from the Dollar Tree. So most of these items came from the Dollar Tree, and that little pineapple came from the Dollar Tree also. So this is a budget-friendly vignette here. So as I stated earlier, I want to thank Nadia and Sandra for hosting this challenge. And I will have these ladies' channels linked in the description box along with the playlist. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and close this video with what I always say. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.